There's gonna be a major glare. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today I'm sharing a fashion video which incorporates mixing prints and patterns, and I'm gonna just share with you about 6 different outfits I have here and how I'm mixing patterns together that may be considered clashing, but I'm gonna just try them out. These are just outfits I threw together. I love to just come up with different outfits and see what works and what doesn't, and I just wanted to see if anyone would wear any of these outfits. Tell me in the comments below which is your favorite as you're seeing them and once you get through the video, and if anything is available I will link it. I'm starting out with this base, which is this black and white dress from Shein. As you see, the dress is just a solid striped black and white dress, short sleeves. It's about knee length. I'll show you that. And it's plain as it is. I could easily wear this with a solid colored jacket, but I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna pair it with a sweater. And it's this one here. This is a H&M sweater that I got from probably a thrift store, most likely the Goodwill, and it's a size small. So I'm gonna put this on with this dress. And you let me know, would you wear this? And as I'm going through, I'll just share what I'm pairing everything with. So I'm gonna pair this outfit with these shoes. These are from, who are these? I've worn these many times, so the the name is actually worn off. I think it is, it says Brooke, something Brooke. And I got them from these shoes from DSW. I've had them for a while, but they're still in pretty good shape. I love the netting there that you can see through. And then they're just like patent leather, size 7.5. And the next mixing prints outfit that I'm gonna put together is this shirt. This is from Shein. It is a size small. I got this a couple of years ago, and I'm gonna match it up with this skirt. I think it's a wool blend skirt. It has a very woolen material, and then the shirt is kind of that silky material. So I'm gonna put these two together, and I'm gonna combine it with this jacket that I got from the Goodwill. This is a Guess jacket purchased not too long ago. If you want to just check out some of the detailing here, this jacket is, I love it. It's a size small. This inside part is the best. And then this is what it looks like on the back. And has pockets. And then this little thing. Just some extra little detailing that makes this jacket really cute. So I do recommend going to the Goodwill for shopping. So that's another thing I wanted to mention in this video here, is that I highly recommend shopping at the Goodwill, thrift stores, anywhere. I happen to have a Goodwill near me, and I pop in there every so often. So this is the outfit with this jacket over it. I will first be pairing it with these shoes. These are Carlos Santana brown heels, and I've had these for a long time also. They're still in good shape, and this is a way to dress the outfit up with the heels. And I'm also going to dress it down with these flat knee-high boots, and I think I got these from Burlington. Just has a buckle detail on the back and flat in this taupey color. It does have a slight raised little platform there, but overall this will make the outfit dress down a bit. On the next outfit here is another black and white piece, but I'm gonna pop in a little bit of this brown here. This is a belt that came with another outfit that I wore. It's a Wish sweater dress. It came with that, but I'm gonna pair it with this outfit here. And this is gonna be much different. So this is a striped dress. Got this from Burlington. It's a size 6 by Jones Studio Separates. And then this is a shirt, Charter Club. I think I got this, must have got this from Jcpenney a while ago. So I'm gonna put these two together with this belt. So we're gonna incorporate some faux leather, which I hear is trending this year. I'm not into the trends. I just wear whatever I like, and it just so happens that sometimes it goes. So brown apparently is trending this season, fall and winter. And I'm gonna put this together, and I'm gonna add in these shoes. Now these are another Goodwill find. These are Michael Kors pumps. Trying to get, okay, there we go. And I got these recently from the Goodwill for $12. They are in pristine condition. And let me know, would you wear this? The next outfit I have is this here. This shirt is from Shein. It is a size small. It has this ribbing pattern down the arm on each side. I'm gonna match this up with this belt. This came from another dress, but I'm gonna put it on this one because it's very multicolored. This dress came from Burlington a while ago, and as you see, it has a mixing, clashing pattern, and I will be putting these two things together. And you're not gonna really see the shoes at all, but I'll probably just wear these boots here. These are 9 West boots. These are just a little above the knee, I think, and I got these from thredUP. Next, I have another black and white set. This is going back to a Shein sweater that I shared in a previous video, just probably 2 videos ago. So I'll link that one below in case you want to check out more details about this and any of the other things I shared in that video. But I'm just going to put it together with this black and white dress. This one is from Amazon, I'm pretty sure. And as you see, it's similar to the one I have on, but it's just stripes at the bottom. This one actually has pockets, and the stripes go across and then also down. And I'll be putting this sweater right over it. And of course, it's like clashing patterns as well. It's either a hit or a miss. So you let me know if this is something you would wear. And I'm gonna match it up with these boots here. Now this last dress that I got is from Amazon. It's 3/4 length sleeves. It fits pretty good. I got it in a size large. It has a zipper in the back. I like the way it fits in the large. I probably could have worn a medium, possibly a small, but definitely a medium. But I do like the way this fits. It's a nice length. When I got this dress, I thought it was a little bit busy, and I should have known that was the case when I saw it on the model, but for some reason it just looked different online. But here it is. It's very bright. It's dark blue with these flowers. It has this fitted waist here, and it's pretty cute. Has nice little pleats there. And I'm just gonna match this up. This is very pretty by itself, but I'm gonna match this up with 3 different jackets, and you let me know, would you wear any of these? And I'm gonna match up the first look with these same boots here, because the first jacket, it has leather in it. It's not a mixture of patterns, but it is a mixture of fabrics. And this jacket, I feel like kind of tones it down, where this is more like an elegant look. This is a clashing item because it's a little bit, what's the word? So that's going to be the first one. The second look I have here is along the lines of that kind of like a church event type of vibe. This little jacket here. Oh, and I did want to mention this is from the Goodwill as well. It's paper tee, size medium. I don't know what brand that is, but from the Goodwill, probably like $3. And then I got this 9 West jacket here from the Goodwill as well. It has the same peachy pink color, but the pattern here is black and white. So I'm gonna put that on top of this dress as well, and you let me know what you think. And then I had this jacket in my closet, and I normally wear this with something that is completely solid underneath. But, and I got this from the Goodwill also. This is a Candies jacket in a size small, and it has 3/4 length sleeves. This is very, very, very busy. But I did match it up with this, so I figured let's just see how it looks. And when I put it together, I don't know. You let me know what you think. So would you wear this and this together? And for that last outfit, I'm gonna pair it up with these boots here. Also got these from the Goodwill. And can you believe these are Stuart Weitzman's? This man's boots run like $500–600. You can check it online. And I got them for $12. So check out your Goodwill. I can't stress that enough. Thrift shopping, and you need to dedicate time if you're gonna go to any of those places, especially like a Goodwill. If you take a good amount of time just to go through the racks, I guarantee you will find at least one thing in that visit if you dedicate an hour to looking for something really nice. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. And again, let me know which one of these is your favorite. Which one of these would you wear? Which one would you definitely not wear? I would love to hear from you, and I will check you out in the comments. And until next time, thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.